of Mr. and Mrs. Raymel Farinas. Ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of the Royal Court 2017. Let us give them a round of applause, please. Mr. Boy Scout of the Philippines and Miss Girl Scout of the Philippines 2017. Mr. PSP, Harvey Adriel C. Farinas, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Raymel Farinas. Miss GSP 2017, Zandra K. R. Avalos, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Kevin Domingo. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Let's lend our ears as our Tulong Barangay Jonathan M. Layugan have his message. Sir.